Hey, welcome to the QG Lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to reveal some of the most popular houseplants and their most amazing benefits to your health and your living space, such as your home and your office. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more creative videos on living a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle. Follow me on social media at the QG Lifestyle. Houseplants are no strange things to anyone's eyes. You will often see them in people's homes and other common areas, but they serve more than just a piece of decoration. Studies show some miraculous benefits that indoor plants can provide for your health and your well-being. But before I reveal these amazing benefits, here are some of the most popular indoor plants you might recognize. If you're thinking of buying some, there are many more options out there that you can choose from, but that also depends on where you live and how much space you have at home or your office. I do encourage you to add some of these plants around you, and if you have some already, great, take good care of them. Now, here are some of the benefits of indoor plants. Having some potted plants around your house or your office can reduce your stress level. It can improve your mood, lower your anxiety, help you with depression, make you feel less tired, help you focus and concentrate better, sharpen your mind, improve your productivity and your creativity, could even speed up your recovery from an illness or an injury. Indoor plants create moisture and humidity to help and reduce dry skin, especially during the winter season. Houseplants can purify the air quality you breathe in. Plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This could also assist with some respiratory conditions, as well as help you sleep better. Researchers are still adding to this list of benefits, and I am a true believer of the health and emotional benefits of indoor and outdoor gardening. I have a big variety of plants. I mean lots and lots of different ones all around my house. Sometimes I feel like I'm living in a tropical jungle. This one right here is the money tree. I've had it for about 4 years. And it's true what they say, money doesn't grow on a tree. I also have a few banana plants, which I transfer them out in the summer. I have a lemon tree, which I planted the seed myself. I even have an avocado tree, which again I planted the pit myself. I am a little over obsessed with indoor plants and gardening, but I find them very therapeutic and relaxing when I see these natural elements around my house and when I take care of them. They make my house feel more comfortable, calming, and natural, especially in winter when everything looks so depressing outside. If you don't have any potted plants, it's time to get some. And if you already have some, then get some more. But don't become obsessed with them like me, because you will run out of space to put them anywhere. But do a little research before you decide to buy any indoor plants. Don't just buy them based on how pretty they look. Indoor plants can add a certain beauty and pleasure to your surrounding environment, at home or your office. Indoor plants can improve your mental and emotional health. Indoor plants can promote positivity and also improve the quality of your life. Indoor plants can make you happier and healthier.